Be Sure to Seasonings seasoning blend was created to work on almost everything without needing salt. You can enjoy our seasoning blend in a 9.6-ounce bottle, perfect for seasoning normal dishes at home. Okay, it's very easy to open. It's got a tab. This is a big, humongous bottle. This will last you probably at least 6 or 7 months. It depends on how you're cooking. It'll last you for a long time. You probably can even share some with your friends just to get them to try it. I'm going to add a little bit in here to my vegetables. Let's season it up. Look how easy that is to pour. Just a little bit of that because this is some good stuff here. And we're going to mix this up and get those flavors into that. It can be used on chicken, pork, beef, seafood, salads, and all kinds of hot and cold dishes. Order your Be Sure to Season blend today at besuretocook.com.